guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tamara, and today's video I'm sharing with you how I made my big, beautiful tropical wreath. So originally it started off with this little wreath. I just decorated them with a bunch of leftover decorations. Super cute, right? So I thought I was done. I put it on the door and I left it there. But then a few nights later, I came across these gorgeous ornaments and I was like, I need to make these. Like, how cute are those? They're so pretty. My next step was to make a list, but first I had to figure out what I needed. Looked at the pictures and I saw, okay, fake snow, I needed tinsel to wrap around, and then if I couldn't find glitter, then I was going to paint on glitter. So I got my list and then I ran over to the Dollarama store and then I kind of searched through what they had, and then this is all the stuff that I found. There's a few things in there that are for a stocking, but that'll be in another video and I will link it when that one is up. So yeah, as you can see, I found a ton of really cute little kind of quiche stuff. Here's a tip. Don't just look in the decoration aisle. Go to like the earring section, to the keychains, go to the arts and craft. I was able to find like all these little things in completely different areas. So I wasn't able to find any glitter ornaments, so I decided I would just go ahead and paint some sparkles on. And again, these were found in the hair accessory aisle. Like, look at that sparkle, it's so pretty. And then yeah, I found some fake snow, so I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna give it that kind of snowy look. And then this is the old wreath. What I did is I took some extra garland that I had and I wrapped it around it so it gave it that really kind of like full, fatter, big look. Sprayed on some of that faux snow, which I think looked really pretty. And then I moved on to painting and sparkles. And then there's all of my loot. Those were the items that I wanted to sparkle and paint. And then here I realized that this was kind of like a wasted step. I didn't need to paint, and I was painting them because I wasn't sure if I was going to paint on sparkles or colors. So I thought it would be good to have like a clean base to work on. But then I realized I was just gonna dip everything in sparkles, and then I had Mod Podge, so that was that. I really like these sparkles. I got 2 packages because I wasn't sure which colors I wanted to go with, and I'm glad I did. So here I'm just kind of playing around with the Mod Podge and the sparklies and just seeing what I liked. I ended up not liking the donuts, so I just washed off the sparkles and kept them as is. Now with the other ornaments, these were really fun to make. So what I did is I Mod Podged the whole ornament, and then I cut like an ombre sparkle on a few, and then I did the tops on some, the bottom on the others, and then I sprayed it with a coat of gloss just to seal in the sparkles so that they wouldn't flake off. And then obviously I was going for a kind of like snowy white capped sort of look, so I sprayed the faux holly white, and then I added some faux snow to the top of those ornaments. And then the last ornament that I made, this one was so simple, but I think the impact is huge, is I just took these faux metal ornaments, cut off a little piece of tinsel, and then hot glued it around the top. Like, so simple, but look how cute that is. Such a huge, like, sparkly, fun impact. That was definitely the easiest one of all the ornaments that I did make. Yeah, okay, so here's the before. Kind of small, not really much to it. And then here is the after. And I also included, you'll see there were some rainbows. Those were like clay ornaments that I made a few videos ago. If you're interested, I can link the video there. But they worked perfectly within this whole like tropical fun theme. So that was so fun to make. I'm really glad I did it, and I think it turned out really pretty and kind of like whimsical and sparkly and fun. All the things that I love. Anyways, thanks for joining me, you guys. Have a great day, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye!